This simple single-page site is pulling in more than $4,000 monthly. I'm going to walk you through recreating it with a single AI platform. Check out these metrics: 400,000 monthly visitors generating $10 RPM via Google AdSense. That's money coming in around the clock. Here's the surprising part. I have no programming background, no development skills whatsoever, yet I'll reconstruct this complete application in the next 10 minutes using AI to handle everything technical. We're creating a basic age calculator that users keep coming back to. While others pursue complicated strategies, someone created something almost embarrassingly simple until you notice the revenue. I'll demonstrate the specific AI platform that codes everything for us, implements all functionality, integrates Google AdSense for automated ad income, and configures Stripe for paid upgrades. By the end of this video, you'll have a functioning revenue-generating site without typing any code personally. This proves that the most mundane concepts can deliver the biggest profits. Let's get building. But first, a reality check. Creating websites and earning online income isn't effortless, regardless of what some content creators claim. When I demonstrate website creation, I'm showing the technical methodology and possibilities. I'm making no guarantees about your outcomes. These AI platforms are legitimate and these methods work, but results depend on your implementation, market timing, and frankly, some fortune. Most sites don't generate income immediately, and plenty never do. I'm not suggesting you'll become wealthy or be able to leave your job. I'm simply revealing what these tools enable, and how you apply that information is completely your decision. Alright, expectations clarified. Let's proceed with building our site. A tool this straightforward, earning thousands monthly, might seem ridiculous until you understand its appeal. Users love viewing their precise age, calculated down to the second. This application provides that immediately through a streamlined, minimalist interface that simply delivers. Let's instruct Base 44 on our requirements. Create a straightforward, polished website. This site is an age calculation tool enabling users to determine their age by entering their birth date and a comparison date, calculating through the present via an intuitive input interface with transparent results presentation. The application must provide precise age calculations, showing years, months, days, hours, and minutes. Design priorities should emphasize clarity, straightforwardness, and rapid functionality on any device. With those instructions, Base 44 begins building. Let's examine version 1 of our age calculator. Immediately, there's a crisp header displaying Age Calculator with supporting text establishing purpose. Calculate your precise age accurately down to minutes. Below sits the primary form area titled Enter Your Details, containing two straightforward fields. One for birth date, another for the calculation endpoint date, which automatically defaults to today but remains adjustable. After completing both fields and selecting Calculate Age, results appear immediately. You receive your age segmented into years, months, days, hours, and minutes, plus comprehensive total time statistics presented distinctly with full detail. Everything operates seamlessly within a thoughtfully arranged layout featuring gentle purple highlighting for key figures while maintaining a contemporary, accessible aesthetic. However, typical age calculators simply output a figure and finish. But time progresses constantly, and our experience should reflect that. We're implementing several enhancements to make this application feel more dynamic, precise, and individualized. We'll direct Base 44 with this instruction: automatically identify the user's time zone and perform age calculations accordingly. Let's input a test birth date. Instantly, the application captures the system time zone, showing something like Asia Taipei, and incorporates that into results. This ensures users always understand the temporal context for their age calculation. It's particularly valuable for individuals comparing time zones or calculating age internationally while traveling. Next, we're advancing things with something more interactive. Display the user's current age, updating continuously in real time with values changing every second to show ongoing time passage. We'll enter a birth date, and something quite engaging happens. Upon submission, the application begins tracking the user's age precisely to the second. Literally, the numbers continuously increment. Years, months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds, all refreshing live. It's genuinely captivating. It energizes the application, and honestly, observing your age counting upward proves oddly hypnotic. However, everyone conceptualizes time differently. Some prefer traditional breakdowns by years. while others, myself included, want to see total days or even minutes they've existed. To accommodate different preferences, we're adding display alternatives extending beyond one format. For this, we'll provide the tool with this directive. Include display alternatives showing age through different formats. Traditional age in years, months, and days. Total days lived and total hours and minutes lived. It confirms these various age formats are now visible on the calculator. Let's examine the display and refine the organization for better clarity. Entering another birth date, you'll notice the layout now distinctly separates and labels each format. You have total days lived, total time lived, and even total seconds, all updating fluidly and arranged for easy scanning. Let's test full screen mode. Opening a new browser tab and entering a birth date again, the desktop layout activates with all formats neatly arranged in an organized, generous layout. It appears polished, deliberate, and extremely user-friendly. Sometimes it's enjoyable comparing your age with celebrities or discovering who shares your birthday. To increase engagement, we're incorporating a feature combining utility with entertainment. We'll submit this to the tool. Add a famous people birthday section containing a database of celebrity and notable person birthdays. This should include individual profile pages, age calculations for famous figures, and categories including internet celebrity, actor, dancer, athlete, etc. Each profile should display a photo and basic information. So, now there's a button on the main page reading Explore Famous People Birthdays. Clicking reveals a well-organized collection of notable individuals categorized as internet celebrity, actor, dancer, athlete, musician, director, writer, and entrepreneur. Each profile presents a card showing a photo, name, birth date, current age, and brief description. Their age calculates using the same real-time engine from our main tool, maintaining accuracy to the minute. Clicking View Full Profile opens a detailed page with exact age breakdown, birthday information, and total time lived. It's an unexpectedly entertaining and informative addition, giving the application considerably more character. Now let's discuss monetization, because after establishing core functionality, it's natural, considering how the site generates income. One of the simplest and most reliable methods is Google AdSense. We'll initiate this by giving it this instruction. Integrate Google AdSense to display ads or ad banners, positioning them in unobtrusive locations like sidebars or between tool sections. Ad placeholders should replicate authentic Google AdSense ads with Google's standard ad styling and formatting. One more quick prompt. I appreciate the Google AdSense ad placeholder design and layout, but I also want Google AdSense ad placeholders appearing on the homepage. We'll be more specific and edit, applying the change directly. The homepage updates and ads appear just like internal sections, strategically positioned, clearly visible, yet not disruptive. Now it's time to connect the actual service. We'll head to Google AdSense, sign in, and register our site. After entering the site name and clicking Save, we'll grab the AdSense code snippet and paste it into our web page project. From there, we'll check the verification box and hit Submit under Request Review. At this point, we wait. Approval typically takes several days to a couple of weeks. Until then, we're using realistic placeholders. Once approval arrives, the site displays real ads, meaning passive income officially begins. Since our application already provides genuine value through detailed age breakdowns and interactive tools, now's the perfect moment to introduce a premium option. I want to establish a straightforward one-time payment through Stripe, unlocking several exclusive features without disrupting the free user experience. We'll enter the Stripe integration instruction. Add Stripe for managing premium features, including a pricing section and Stripe checkout page for processing payments. Immediately, Base 44 presents a checklist of everything needed to begin. First, select the payment type. Then navigate to the top right corner and connect Base 44 to Supabase using the green Supabase button. After choosing Connect Supabase, we'll also click Add More Organizations. After confirming the connection, let's hit Continue. We'll create a new Supabase project with just a name and pass W ORD. then returning to base 44 to reconnect. This time, everything syncs successfully. From there, we'll submit this prompt. Add Stripe integration for managing premium features. Include a pricing section and Stripe checkout page for processing payments. For payment type, I want one-off payments. This triggers several setup requirements from base 44 requesting Stripe credentials and pricing details. We'll prompt with this. I have a Stripe account. Pricing is $9 for one-time payment. The premium-only features are no ads, ad-free experience, and age comparisons. Yes, I have a Stripe secret key and I want to enter it. Time to grab that key. Let's return to the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the developer section, and locate the API keys. Once we've copied the secret key, we'll paste it directly into base 44, submit the input, and click Apply Changes. With everything configured, the app instantly updates, including a premium section and polished pricing display. Before testing anything, we must hit Publish, making changes live. Once completed, we'll test the flow by clicking Upgrade to Premium. The app redirects to Stripe's checkout page, where we'll enter payment details. Just like that, payment process is successful. Immediately after payment, the app updates automatically. A premium badge appears, ads disappear, and exclusive features like age comparison unlock and activate. Everything functions exactly as planned, and Stripe integration is now fully operational. The app's live and everything has fallen into place. Our users arrive at a clean layout, enter their birth date and target date, and instantly receive a complete age breakdown. Years, months, days, hours, minutes, all updating in real time. The time zone sets automatically and everything scales beautifully on desktop. What distinguishes it? It doesn't just calculate, it provides context. A dedicated section lets users explore famous birthdays, complete with age, bio, and time lived. Every detail is transparent, fast, and seamless. Precisely what an effective utility tool should deliver. There it is, a fully functional, ad-ready, premium-enabled age calculator application built entirely from scratch without touching a single line of code. We took what appeared to be an incredibly basic concept and transformed it into a complete monetizable product. Don't overcomplicate things. Sometimes the simplest tools are exactly what people actually need. A link to Base 44 is in the description and first line of the comments. Thanks for watching and spending your time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.